Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix immune system issues with Emergen-C full guide step by step clearly. Start with understanding your immune system and its functions. Recognize the importance of vitamins and minerals in supporting immune health. Identify common immune system issues such as frequent infections or chronic fatigue. Consult with a healthcare professional to discuss your symptoms and get personalized advice. Research the ingredients in Emergen-C, focusing on vitamin C, B vitamins, and electrolytes. Read the label carefully to ensure you choose the appropriate formulation for your needs. Begin incorporating Emergen-C into your daily routine as directed. Mix 1 packet of Emergen-C with water and stir until fully dissolved. Consider taking Emergen-C in the morning to kickstart your day. Monitor how your body responds over the next few weeks. Pay attention to any changes in your overall energy levels and immune response. Adjust your diet to include more fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Engage in regular physical activity to further support your immune system. Get enough sleep each night to help your body recover and regenerate. Manage stress through practices such as meditation or yoga. Track your progress and symptoms in a journal for future reference. If issues persist, re-evaluate your approach and consult your healthcare provider. Remember that while Emergen-C can be beneficial, it should not replace a balanced diet or medical advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.